All right, my people, I'm here for the second video on how you can get your ISBN from Nigeria, the National Library of Nigeria. I did the first video on how to create a profile, and that video was done earlier today, 25th of June 2024. I completed that video. I completed that application by 7 a.m. this morning, and by 9:30 a.m. this morning I got the approval that I was waiting for. So I'm recording this video right away to guide you on how to easily apply and get your ISBN instantly from the National Library of Nigeria. Okay, remember I told you you'll get it in seconds upon payment. Okay, that's what we are going to be doing now. So this is one of my clients' book. At the moment he's not in Nigeria, he's not in the country, but he wants me to help him get the ISBN. So this is the book he's trying to publish now. Demystify Comfort Zone, that's the title of the book, by Dr. Divine Adiola. Okay, so we are going to go straight to it. I will still tell you something about this Word document here. Okay, I'll show you something that I just did to help me get the ISBN. Okay, so let's get to the website. So let's get to the website again. That is isbn.nln.gov.ng, isbn.nln.gov.ng. That's the website if you want to get an ISBN from here in Nigeria. Okay, from the National Library of Nigeria. Then we click OK, done. Now we are going to log in with our login details. It's important you remember your login details at the point of signing up. Okay, so if you have not signed up, this is where you sign up. If you've not seen the video on how to create that and sign up, you find the video up there. Okay, so now we are going to be signing in. So I'll keep the details hidden because it's not meant for you. Okay, all right, I'm signing in now into the dashboard. So here are we now. So can you see the first thing you see here is apply for, or one of the first things you see here is apply for ISBN. But can you see up here the name of the person, the author? Remember I opened the author publisher ISBN. Okay, so this is the name, Dr. Divine Adiola. Once again, go see that video I talked about because it guides you on how to do it. If you don't get it well, you will not get approved, or you get your approval delayed. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to head on to apply for ISBN, but you can go around and study this. Now in my book I treated this Lego deposit, this one you can see here now, but it doesn't affect you getting the ISBN now. Okay, but at the end of getting the ISBN and you've done publishing the book, I shared what you need to do here. Very, very important. Okay, so now I'll have to hit on apply for ISBN. So it asks me, see, you need to just select the option that best suits what you are doing. So I select here single ISBN. This is the amount at the moment. Okay, so the amount varies per time, but it's been like this since last year. But at the end of it, of course, you'll be asked to pay bank charges too, so it will increase a bit, but I don't know yet to how much. So the next thing is select number of publication. I think at this point in time is only one that you can get per time online. Okay, but manually you can get more than one per time. I treated that also in my short guide. Now title. Now, did you see it's not asking us about the author, because automatically the author's name has appeared. That's part of what I was telling you in that video. Once again, go see that video. So now is about the title of the publication of the book. So I'll go to this now. This is the book. I'll copy the title. This is the title. Demystify Comfort Zone. That's the title of the book. So I'll paste it here. It's asking me format. Now, this is a print book, okay? That's PBK means paperback. Now, there is hardback, that's hardcover. Now, most of us call the normal paperback hardcover. Hardcover is supposed to be hard. There are some of these foreign books you see, they would if you notice the cover, they will just use something and wrap the cover. The covers are hard, so those are the ones that are called hardback. But this one we are doing now, the normal, the most of the books you see around is paperback, but here is abbreviated PBK. It means paperback, okay? So print paperback. Now, I told you earlier, the same book, if you are to put it in paperback, in hardcover, in e-copy, each format of your book, according to the rule, should have its unique ISBN. So you don't use the ISBN you have for this particular book in print, that's in paperback. You don't use it for what's it called, hardcover. You don't also use it for the digital format of it. So each format will have its unique ISBN. So I go for paperback. That's the one we're going for, okay? Then the next thing to select here is type of publication. Now, there is private, there is state, there is federal. This state government, this federal government, this private, individual. So that's what I will select. Now, I say location. I can just put Nigeria, Enugu. Let me just put Enugu. Now, it asks me to submit, but this not all. So when I submit it, I will get to the next stage. So I'll click submit. Now, having submitted, I want you to see, can you see what I filled here? Yeah, submitted, okay? So I'm going to be going to the next stage of applying for the ISBN proper, okay? So if you notice, it says status, it says awaiting preliminary pages. Yes, preliminary pages. So now that's why I told you I'm going to be showing you something about this content. Okay, what is it again? About this, okay? Preliminary pages. What they need is just the title, your name as the author, and then the table of content. So I sent my client a WhatsApp message. Let me show you. Let me see if I can pick it. I sent him a WhatsApp message, and the WhatsApp message reads this way. Let me see. Look at what I sent him as a WhatsApp message. I said, please, sir, can you send me a little content from the book? Table of content, preview or introduction. Not anything serious, just to fulfill all righteousness and continue, okay? So he sent me this. He sent me this, okay? Now, what I did now, I'm still waiting for him to send me other thing, because this is just like the table of content, which might not be enough. So what I did was I went to my WhatsApp, Meta AI. Can you see Meta AI? It's not in WhatsApp business. So if you have normal WhatsApp, there's Meta AI on your normal WhatsApp. So I went to my Meta AI. So look at what I did. I copied those things he sent me, and I came here and I said, quickly draft an amazing article based on the following subheadings. So I listed those things down. So Meta AI gave me this, and I copied it out, so I don't have to keep waiting for him. I copied it out. When I copied it out, I now came to, let me return to here. I copied it out. I now came here and I pasted it here and saved. I saved it as a Word document. So this is what I will be uploading now as preliminary pages. So it has the title of the book, it has the author's name, it has the table of content, and then this sketching. It's not anything serious, but it's required. But the name should be consistent, and what's it called? The title of the book should be consistent. The content, that table of content mustn't be consistent for you to get the ISBN. So I would move on. Let's return to the page. So now, what you need to do at this second stage is to click on Upload Preliminary Pages. I have clicked on it. So here is it. Now it tells you maximum upload size for preliminary pages is 2 MB. So I already saved it in that format. I need to be sure. I think I need to save it in a PDF format. I need to be sure. I think let me return. I want to be sure so that if it's PDF, I'll put it there. Okay, it's not showing me whether it's PDF or not. But I think so. So let me save this as PDF first, because I don't want to run the risk of shaking 2 times. Okay, or even if I'm shaking 2 times, it will not take me so much time. So let me attempt saving it as a PDF. I want to save it now as PDF. Okay, I've already saved it as Word document, but I want to save it as PDF. Now you need to have one of the latest versions of Microsoft Word to be able to save as PDF. So I'm saving it now as PDF too. I'm saving it, so I've also saved it as PDF. So I return to this place now and I click on Choose File. I'm going to use the PDF version because I suppose that's what they normally require. So I'm going to go to the PDF that I saved, Demystify Comfort Zone. I've selected it and I click Submit. Okay. So now I'll hit on, I've uploaded it here, so you can say demystify this thing and it gives you the extension as PDF. So I'll click on, but I didn't check if this is more than 2 MB. Let me be sure that it's not more than 2 MB. I just mouse over. Okay, it's less than 2 MB. Okay, that's fine. So let me close down this. So now submit. I didn't select the file again. Sorry about that. Let me select it again. So I click on submit. Having clicked on submit, let's see what happens. So it has brought up this. It says make payment for the Demystify Comfort Zone. Okay. Now this is the dates created and everything is in order. So this is the amount. So I'm going to make payment. So it's PDF that you upload, not the Word document of your preliminary pages. So I'm going to go to pay now. Now I want you to count from the moment I paid how many minutes or seconds it takes to get the ISBN. Let me use my card. So I'm going to keep this hidden. So if you can see here now, the amount has risen from 3,005 to 3,943.97 kobo. Okay, so I'm going to be making payment right away. So bank charges is 443 naira 97 kobo. I'm just waiting for the code. The moment I get the code, we count down to our ISBN. Just a moment. Once the code arrives, yes, I've gotten the code. So now you can join me as we count down to the ISBN. So how many seconds is it going to take the moment I click this? Payment made, ISBN gotten. Can you see? Instantly I've gotten the ISBN. Your ISBN for the Demystify Comfort Zone is this. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to screenshot this. I'll quickly screenshot this. Okay, now I want to show you something else. I'm going to, can you see payment successful? This is the ISBN. Let me copy it for my client. Now I want to show you something quickly. I'm going to return to the website of National Library of Nigeria, okay, dot gov.ng. This is the main website. I'm going there now to show you something. This book, I just ordered the ISBN. So let's see from their website if the ISBN they gave us is genuine. So I go to ISBN verification. Just a moment. Now, it's a public notice. This portal is for, yes, that's what we want to do. We want to verify the ISBN that we just received. Okay. So here I'm going to enter the ISBN. So I want to show you that the ISBN we got is correct. So I'm copying it from here. This is the ISBN. Remember the title of the book. So if it's correct, it will show us the ISBN with the book. So we're checking now to verify this ISBN. So you see that it's genuine. Public notice. Okay. Now, can you see? Congratulations. Can you see? Demystify Comfort Zone by Dr. Divine Adiola. See the ISBN, see paperback. Can you see the date? This is Tuesday, June 25th, 2024. So everything is in order here. So I hope you've learned this and you can do it yourself. Okay. So if you can't do it yourself, always contact me, but you know, it's going to be with a little token. So what you need to do next, okay, now beyond this video, you will need to get my short guide. I'll be dropping the link also below this video. Okay, you get that short guide. It guides you on everything I've shared plus the ones I've not shared. Also, with this short guide, you will know about Lego deposit, and if you also want to get the ISBN in bulk, the short guide will help you. And in case you are in a haste, you want someone to help out and assist you with this, always reach out to me. I will be able to do that. I'm on Inebedum. Do remember to subscribe for more interesting videos like this.